Hey guys, so this is going to be a really short Musings episode. I did a Musings episode in January about the pricing and variant strategy of the Ather 450X electric scooter. And there were intense debates in the comment section. Also, we did a poll last month about the Ather 450X and we got more than 360 votes, and these are the results. It just shows the passion the EV community of India has for Ather, and in spite of the price increase, many people have voted to support Ather and many people are still on the fence and might go for the Ather 450X. At the same time, we are being asked by many people about the total cost of ownership for the Ather 450X and the Chetak electric scooters. So we made a spreadsheet, ran it by the EV owner community and also sent it to Chetak and Ather teams. The Chetak guys replied and gave us some numbers, Ather guys too replied and gave us some numbers. So let's roll with this. Essentially, we are comparing the long-term ownership costs of Ather 450X versus the Chetak and a couple of expensive pollution scooters, the Vespa Elegante 150 and the TVS NTorq Race Edition BS6. BS, that's funny. If we are talking about premium electric scooters, then let's compare them with these so-called premium pollution scooters as well. We are looking at an operation of 6 years and riding 12,000 kilometers per year. So first, the sticker price. So 1,59,000 for the Ather 450X Pro Power Pack variant. Also, we're not talking about Ather subscription plans here. You pay flat cash, and that is what we're considering here. 1,19,350 for the Chetak Premium flavor, 1,13,000 for the Vespa Elegante, 78,000 for TVS NTorq. Next is maintenance costs. So it is ₹0 for Ather, as there is Ather service plan, which is a separate thing. We'll talk about that soon. For Chetak, what the company people told us is that the first 3 services are included in the base price. So the first service is after 1,000 kilometers, second service is after 12,000 kilometers, and third service is after 24,000 kilometers. Essentially, you don't have to pay anything for 2 years, and you have to pay around 1,000 per year as your annual service fee after that. So let's keep that as to be 5,000 for the remaining 4 years. So I told the Chetak team that this annual service seems too low. Their response was that they want to have a lesser service cost than an Activa pollution scooter. So Bajaj looks like wants to play the long-term game here. They're not willing to make money on service, which is fantastic for the end consumer. The entire ICE business model ensures that you make money off the customer from service, which is a terrible thing. It remains to be seen if Bajaj Chetak will honor the low service costs, say 3 years down the line. Let's see. Then we had the Ather service pack, which is an annual service fee that you'll have to pay Ather. We assume a year. The first year is estimated to be included. As of March 2020, we don't know this exact cost yet. The blog will be updated whenever Ather lets us know the exact amount. The Ather service pack also had other perks like home service, on-road assistance, etc. It remains to be seen if these will be offered for the 450X. Next is the connectivity fees. So Ather has been upfront about connectivity fees. It is included in the Ather service pack, so we won't add any connectivity fees for the 450X. While Chetak does not include or talk about connectivity fees or features on the website, this feedback has been given to the team. We've got information from them that the first year is included in the base price. So after that, it's estimated to be around 3,000 rupees per annum. So the blog will be updated whenever Bajaj lets us know the exact connectivity fees in 3-4 months. That's what they said. Connectivity in pollution scooters, it's a total joke here. The so-called connectivity in NTorq is via Bluetooth, and they seem to be total gimmick features. Connectivity is far superior and important for electric scooters. You can push software updates, add features and improve the drivetrain as it ages. This can never happen with pollution scooters. Anyway, let's move on. Next, we talk about parts and replacement costs. Now, this is a grey area with Ather 450X and Chetak. Once a user completes 3 years or 50,000 kilometers, then if some parts go kaput, then we can expect significant costs here. We don't know. For example, the onboard charger inside the Chetak, the belt of the Ather 450X. What else? I expect the motors to be reliable and not give issues. So basic electronic components like the travel charger, etc. So all these could have specific costs if they have to be replaced. In case of pollution scooters, things that have to be replaced are things like the fuse indicator, headlight bulb, clutch, chain, spark plugs, etc. So I've kept ₹15,000 for all the models. This can vary from user to user. It may be more in some cases and less in others. Next is fuel costs. The cost difference is so huge that it feels like most people using pollution scooters are getting ripped off by these oil companies. It's insane. When you ride a petrol scooter, you're paying these oil companies in the OPEC countries. And many of these countries hate India. When you ride an electric, you save money on transportation and spend it on the local economy. So you guys see the social benefits of EVs right here. Next is the battery costs. Ather makes their own battery packs. Chetak gets the battery pack from Bosch, Germany. This might change soon as they have to make the battery packs in India to qualify for FAME 2 subsidy. And Bajaj and Bosch are giants. I'm sure they will find a solution to make these in India. The current lithium-ion cell costs are around $200 per kilowatt hour in early 2020. So I assume that the battery pack will cost around $900 right now. This includes the BMS, the cooling features, entire battery pack assembly. Let's say the current pack of the Chetak and the Ather costs around 65,000, give or take few thousand. We assume in 5+ years time the cost will go down to $150 to $160 per kilowatt hour. Also, the cells will be made in India, thus I have placed the cost of 50,000 as a battery replacement cost. This definitely will be lesser, but let's be pessimistic here. So you have the final TCO numbers. So Chetak wins easily, but the Ather 450X is not insanely expensive as many of us think. People always look at sticker prices and don't realize how much they waste money on oil. So if you're in the market for a scooter, I implore you guys to go for an electric. You will have a fantastic experience with the quiet whir of the motor, the great tech features, vibration-free riding, and overall feeling of helping your city and country. If you like the Chetak, go for it. V8 plug-in India loved it. If you like the Ather 450X, do your best to help this amazing startup that is pushing all our ICE manufacturers to get serious. So we have the blog article for you guys to read. The link is in the description below. Also, we have an editable spreadsheet. I'll leave it to you guys to add more models, tinker with the numbers and so on. That link is also in the description below. So until next time, ride safe and always ride electric.